Hi everybody, I don't know if this is a Jeff Attempts or if this is more like an unboxing.
I figured I'd do one of those unboxing videos you've all been asking for.
So as a realtor, I don't think a lot of realtors necessarily do this, but I like to have tools with me.
Tools!
So this was my original realtor bag that I used to use.
The man purse.
I got my flashlight here, I was able to hold some tools.
My tools!
And then I want to bring an iPad with me from day to day. So this one got retired and I moved up to this one. This, it's got kind of a silly name.
Silly.
But I really like it that it's made in America.
America.
It's called the NutSac. So this has been great. It fits my iPad, a lot of my different tools.
Tools?
And then I added a little holster on the side for my flashlight.
It's a holster.
As you can see, it's getting a little full. So that's why.
Hence the excitement.
Oh boy. I told myself I couldn't open this until I did this video.
A lot of self-control.
Oh man, here it is. So this is a larger size than my current one.
Bigger.
So the TacSac 15. I really liked the gray and black of this one, but this one only came in black or this brown color. Oh man. So some of the things I'm really excited about with this, not only is it a little bit bigger, but like on the back here, it's got this extra pocket, which mine didn't have, and it's called a TacSac because it's tactical.
Get me tactical.
It's got these extra strips so you can hang things. And then on the inside, oh man. Oh, so here's another fun thing. You got the zipper.
So many pockets and zippers.
You got the zipper. You can either go this way or at the top.
Impressive.
So, oh my gosh, so much room in there.
Luxurious and spacious.
And so again, it's got this tactical
Strictly a tactical move.
or molly webbing. So you can either different tools.
Tools.
You just put it right in there. Or it's also for extra bags you can attach to these straps. So I got a couple of pockets right there.
They're nice pockets.
It's got this front pocket for a lot of great things. And then in back, this is where I would keep my iPad and my folder right back there for easy access.
You're going to be more accessible than ever.
We'll probably have a future video where I talk about all the different tools that I carry with me on listing appointments and showings.
Life of a realtor.
So don't forget to subscribe, like, or even comment on things that maybe what kind of bag you like to use. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.